How to fix unable to open link in Google. So I'm going to be providing you just a simple quick fix. So first things first is open up your Google Play Store. In here, just simply type in Chrome, choose on first result. Now this is just to ensure that you have fully installed Google Chrome on your mobile device and it is updated to the latest version and it is enabled as well. Next thing is go into your phone settings and then scroll down till you find apps. Now at the upper right portion of your screen, you should see three dots. Simply tap on that and then go into reset app preferences. Now what it will do is to disable all apps, notifications restriction for apps, default apps, permission restrictions. Now it's not going to be deleting the applications that you have on your mobile device. It will just all reset back to default. Simply hit on reset and try to rerun the specific link you're trying to access once again. So that is how you fix unable to open link in Google.